This is a Bluebird SSS with a QG18 cable type and under a service. Got the body, the airflow sensor, 4 injectors, changing the PCV valve, brand new PCV valve, brand new spark plug. Service up everything and mount up and start. Right, okay, so all the parts clean up there. This is the injector rail. Let's get that a little clean up, spray out inside and thing. This is throttle body now, both sides. I removed the idle control valve to clean inside the port, and this is the idle control valve now. This is the 4 injectors, all clean and shining. Airflow sensor, the throttle body housing, I clean all that, plugs in there already. I just had to tighten them up, and the brand new PCV valve inside. So we're going to assemble everything onto the engine and crank up and start up. Right, so the Bluebird SSS with the QG18 completed there. Spark plug change, injectors service, throttle body service, idle control valve service, and airflow sensor service. Vehicle idle in there, so that I better acceleration now. Bluebird SSS should be good to go. The customer coming back with the Bluebird SSS there. What? How it working? Powerful?
Yeah, powerful.
Right.
Well,
Nice to that.